Alright folks, JetX time, 2019 style. Check this out. This is the new JetX motors. These are a new propellant. They're produced here in the US. This is under the beta test program. These are the Gen 1 engines. They're the newer ones I hear are even better than these, and these are pretty awesome. This is a basically a carbonette scaled for JetX, about a 13-14 inch wingspan. Oh yeah!
I love that sound.
It is so awesome! Yes! Oh, look at that baby float. It's going for the trees. Oh well. Oh man. Love it. And it didn't get stuck yet. Okay, so that was like 35 seconds or so from a not even that great, well-trimmed flight. Back in a bit. Alright, so we got this bird back successfully because it wasn't that hard to get to. Now, this is our take on things. This is the Wombat from JetX. This is one cool looking airplane. I mean, check that thing out. It's pretty crazy. Guesses as to whether this will fly for me. I'm not good at flying wings, so let's go back this way a little bit, and we're gonna hope that my trimming earlier, which wasn't really trimming, works, and that I can throw this correctly too. That's what I was afraid of. Flying wings hate me. Alright, foam board rocket plane. Yes, you heard that right. If I can get it to light. You know, light? Look at that! That's awesome! Yeah! Look at that!
Oh, look!
Oh, my word. I do not believe my... That actually happened, didn't it?
It did.
And a flying wing at that. Flying wings hate me. My goodness.
It's a miracle, guys.
Now we're gonna get this rocket back.
Yeah, we did get it back. Alright folks, so here's the deal. These are JetX engines from jetx.us. They are, like I said, they're part of an experimental test program. We have proven they will fly foam board rockets. I kid you not. This is flight test Dollar Tree foam board stuff here. They will fly these, and as you saw, it flies really quite well. Purebred airplanes, they go like crazy on these, and this isn't. I mean, this is not even anywhere near the potential because I've got several other planes that can fly on these, and you can probably do a minute and a half or more. So here's what's going on. JetX is doing a GoFundMe to get a press to put these engines into mass production because they've got a very slow, almost borderline manual process for producing these engines right now. And so they're trying to raise, I think, about $5,000 or something like that. I think that's fairly reasonable to bring back an American classic that has not been available for a long time, and to bring it back at a level that we've never before seen. The Rapier engines from the Czech Republic were, I would say, were on par with these. However, I think these are actually going to be more reliable than those. The casings are much stronger. These are a seriously well-engineered product, and I beg of you to help us support this product because I think we all will have fun flying these. I have no vested interest in this campaign, so this is not one of those things that you're benefiting me by donating to this campaign. This is completely separate from J&H Aerospace. We're just doing this because we believe in it, and I really think that this is an awesome thing. So, Caleb, what do you think of rocket planes?
The rocket airplanes go fly in contests.
Oh, he wants to fly them in contests. Do it for the children. They want to fly in contests. They want to fly rockets in contests. All right. I'm Josh Finn. This is Caleb. Hope behind the camera. We'll see you later.